Right, look, I take this deck, maybe shuffle like this, maybe shuffle like this, and of course maybe I cut this pile like this. It's really true. And now I deal maybe this pile, maybe this pile, maybe this and this pile. Now snap my finger and this for pile and production for ace. Wow. It's really not bad. Look. You take this for ace. It's really true. Look. Clubs, spades, hearts, and diamonds. Alright? Look, I take this ace of diamonds. Ace of diamonds, one card face up. Look. Turn over. Snap my finger now. 1, 2, 3. Oh, this ace of diamonds change queen of diamonds. And now snap my finger. This is queen of spades, queen of clubs, and queen of hearts. Wow. Alright, for this trick you make a little setup. You take for ace and take for queen. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Of course, you take any 4 cards. Maybe king, jack, ace, 2, 3. It's really any cards. Right. You take for ace. Look. Spades, hearts, clubs, and diamonds. And take this for queen. Spades, hearts, clubs, and diamonds. And now you take this queen. And now queen of diamonds turn over face down. And 3 queen face up. And now you squeeze this pile, turn over and drop it like this. Alright? And now this 3 queen face down, 1 queen face up. Face up, queen of diamonds. Alright. And now you take this 4 ace and putting her like this. It's really true. Right. And next step, you make any full shuffle, you make any full cut, you control it this 8 cards. Alright? Look, you take this deck your right hand and now you take little pile, make a really shuffle and this pile drop it like this. Of course you control it your setup. Look, I repeat full speed. It's really nice optical illusion. It's really true and believable false shuffle. Look, you take this deck, take little pile, make a really shuffle, and this pile drop it like this. Of course, you control it your setup. Alright. And next step, your production for ace. How? You take this deck, drop it like this, and now you... Right, look, this finger count 2 cards and make a break. Look, count 2 cards, this is 2 ace. Look, count 2 cards, make a break, and now your right hand take this pile and drop it like this. And this 2 ace, drop it this pile. And now take this pile and drop it like this and save it your break like this. And now 2 ace here and 2 ace here. It's really easy. Look, I repeat. Make a really shuffle like this. Drop it like this. I turn over this for ace. Drop it this pile. Count 2 cards. Take your right hand, take this pile. Move it like this, and this 2 ace drop it, and this pile drop it like this, and save it your break. Alright? It's really easy move, guys. It's really true. Look, it's really normal deck, and now I shuffle like this. It's really true shuffle. It's really true. Of course, you control these cards. Drop it these cards, count 2 cards, 1, 2, make a break. Your right hand takes this pile, move it like this drop it this ace, and this pile drop it like this, and save it your break. Alright. And now your production ace number 1. Look, your left hand save it your break, and now your right hand take little pile, and now you make a slip cut like this. Your left hand takes this ace of hearts, your right hand take little pile and drop it like this. Of course, save it your ace of hearts and save it your break. Right? It's really easy move. Look, 2 ace here, 2 ace here. I repeat, save it your break, take little pile, save it your break, slip cut, this pile drop it like this, and save it your break. And now take this pile your break, drop it like this, and now you repeat, make a slip cut like this. And now your production for ace. It's really really cool. Look, I repeat. Dun, 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 dun. I repeat. Look, your setup. Count 2 cards. Make move it like this. Save it your break. Make a slip cut like this. It's really easy. Look. Make a slip cut like this. This is ace number 1. Make it drop at this pile like this. Ace number 2. And now make a slip cut and production this to ace. And turn over like this. And now you set up here. This is 3 queen, I'm sorry, face down. 1 queen face up. And now you take this queen, drop it like this. Drop it like this. Drop it like this. This pile, drop it like this. This pile, drop it like this. This pile, drop it like this. Squeeze and take. Alright. And now you take this 4. And now you take this 4 ace. I repeat, look. Diamonds, clubs, spades, hearts. Diamonds because your queen of diamonds. Alright. Look. I take this 4 ace. Diamonds, spades, hearts, clubs. It's really true. Take this 4 ace, show it like this, and count 4 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, make a break. Look, I repeat, 1, 2, 3, 4, make a break and save it your break. Squeeze this 4 ace and take 8 cards. Alright? You take 4 ace and 4 queen. Take this 4 ace and 4 queen. And now you turn over this ace of clubs and make a break like this and save it your break. And show this ace of clubs. And now you turn over ace of hearts, save it your break. Turn over, show this ace of hearts. Show this ace of spades and save it your break. And now you drop it this 3 ace like this. And now you take this ace of diamonds, turn over and show it like this. And now 3 ace here, 1 ace here, and now 3 queen and 1 queen face down. Face up, I'm sorry. Right. And next step you turn over this pile, take this 5 cards. And now you take this queen of diamonds. And now you take this ace of diamonds, turn over like this. Take 1 ace, 2 ace, and 3 ace face down. Of course, this is 4 queen. And now you take this ace of diamonds, putting her like this, because this is your queen of diamonds. And now you take these cards and putting her like this. Alright? And now your setup look like this. 2 cards face down, queen of diamonds, ace of diamonds, 1 cards face down. Alright? Look, I repeat. Turn over this ace. 1, 2, 3, 4 cards. It's really true. It's really nice. Take this ace, putting her like this. Take cards, putting her like this. Squeeze. Turn over, snap your finger, and now deal 1 by 1. 3 cards. 1, 2. Show this queen of diamonds. And take 3 cards. This is bottom of the pile like this. And this is 2 cards. This is queen and ace. Queen of diamonds and ace of diamonds. Drop it like this. And now shake it these 3 cards and show this ace. Change queen. It's really cool. It's really easy to do. Thank you for watching my video. See you later.